In this video, I'm going to show how we can create a broadcast receiver using Android Studio. We are going to continue to use the simple code that we created from the last video. Okay, similarly, the way we to create a new app component is click File, New, and this time we're going to find out in the other there is a component called a broadcast receiver. So let's just create it. Give a name, like let's say toast intent receiver. We finish. Okay. So to save time, I have already copied the code from the canvas. You can download it and import it by yourself. So this time we are going to create a very simple broadcast receiver. The way to do it is just like whenever you receive the event, it's going to show the user toast to show that, okay, I have already received an intent. Okay. Again, if we click the icons next to the class definition, you're going to see the related XML file. In these cases, we're going, because this is only related to one XML, basically the Android manifest, so we'll automatically go over here. So we can see that, okay, the receiver has been correctly registered here. But remember that in order for the receiver to respond to some event, we need to create the intent filter. So the way to do that is that we use the intent filter items. And in that cases, we need to create actions, right? And change to this one. I have an example, so save some time, right? Okay, yeah, action, and then the name, right? In the action, you have the name, so we are going to create a name called the test. Okay, so this means that whenever someone broadcasts intent with the action equal to test, then our broadcast receiver is going to respond to this intent and they're going to execute the code. Okay, now we need to create a new button and then to broadcast this intent. Let's go back to our main activity and then go to the XML file. Okay, now let's define another button. Okay, this button by broadcast. Again, we need to create a new method handlers. So using the help from the industry, we can easily create a button method handler and generate the method template. And in this case, we're going to create an intent. Okay. So different from the services and activity, this time we are trying to broadcast certain intent with specific actions. So we can directly type a string here. And then, so there are some other construct of the intent that accepts action as string, basically specify the action as the parameter. And now instead of invoking start activity and start services, we're going to invoke send broadcast in the intent. Okay. So in these cases, we have created a new button and then a new broadcast receiver, and also in the buttons method handler, we are going to broadcast an intent for the broadcast receiver. Now let's redeploy this app into our emulator. Okay, so it has been redeployed successfully. We can see that we have a new button at the bottom. Let's click this one.